Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to get 24H2 update on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to update to Windows 11 24H2 version, then I will show you how to do this. What you have to do, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here regedit. You can see here register editor, right click on that, then click on run as administrator. In this you can see here HK local machine, double click and expand. After that you can see here software, double click and expand. After that policies, double click and expand. After that you will find here Microsoft, double click and expand. After that you need to find Windows, you can see here Windows, double click and expand. After that you need to find Windows update. Here you can see you are not seeing Windows update. You have to just, if you find there Windows update, just you have to single click on that, come to the right side. Here click on new string value and name it as product version. After naming as product version, double click on that, then type here Windows 11, Windows space 11, then click OK. Again right click on that, click on new dword 32, you can say dword 32 bit value. Here you need to type target release version. Target release version, double click on that and this change the value data 0 to 1, then click OK. Again you have to right click on that, click on new string value, then type here target release version info. Double click on that, then type here 24H2 and click OK. After doing all this, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope you will get 24H2 update on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.